Dear students, today our new topic is the concept of the capital budgeting. Now, first we have to understand that what is the meaning of the capital budgeting, that what is capital budgeting, why it is needed, and why we are doing the capital budgeting. First of all, if you see, we have two things here. One is the capital and the second thing is the budgeting. So it is basically the budgeting for what? The budgeting for the capital expenditure. Now we have to understand that what is the meaning of the capital expenditure. Capital expenditure is any expenditure which the company or the business is doing where the benefit is the long term, means it is more than 1 year. For example, a business is buying a new building, or the business is starting a new, you can say, the project, or it may be purchasing a new machinery. So for all these purposes, what we need the capital budgeting. So it can be for the new project, it can be for the improvement of the current facilities, or it can be expansion. Means, for example, company has a production capacity of 10,000 units, and now they want to increase to 20,000 units. So now the expansion can be, or it can be a new development. Means currently they have something and they've increased the capacity of that thing, or they want to develop something. So for all these purposes, we need the capital expenditure. And when we will make the budgeting, then it will be called as the capital budgeting. So in this series of the videos, we will create the concept of the capital budgeting. So what are the techniques of capital budgeting, why we need the capital budgeting. So all these concepts will be recorded and it will be explained in much detail. Thank you very much.